Are you looking for an amazing community in the most sought-after area of Sullivan Station? Well, today we have a great property for you.
Welcome to Panorama Woods. This is a newly painted and move-in ready 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse with almost 1,400 square feet of living space.
And we can't wait
to give you a tour.
As you step inside, you're greeted by these 9-foot tall ceilings, plus this open concept kitchen. You got granite countertops, stainless steel appliance package, an island with tons of storage underneath. Just imagine cooking here, entertaining with the dining and living room all in one space. And as you transition from the kitchen here into the living room, this is such a great space. Look how open it is. You've got a key feature here, which is an electric fireplace. And this opens up into your private backyard, perfect for barbecues and summer nights.
As you come up, you are greeted by 3 spacious and cozy bedrooms and 2 bathrooms for you to unwind for the day. Let me now take you to the primary bedroom. And here is your primary bedroom. Look at this large window that floods in a lot of natural light, and these trees create a lot of privacy. With 9 feet high vaulted ceiling, a spacious his and her closet, and a luxurious primary ensuite, the space is designed for ultimate relaxation.
We are in the community of Sullivan Station, where everything is around you, including Newton Exchange, where you have groceries, shopping, as well as transit. And of course, you have Newton Recreational Center, where fun and leisure meets.
We have North Ridge Elementary School and Panorama Ridge Secondary School just minutes away from here.
Open house? Per Zaru Ana Modehe.